Mahindran, this little kitty's name is Mahindran. Mridu was impressed. It was a real name, not just a cute kitty cat name. So this was the answer by Mridu. Then what did Ravi say? Ravi says, actually his full name is Mahindra Verma Pallava Pune. So what was his full name? His full name was Mahindra Verma Pallava Pune. MP Pune for short, if you like. If you, it is very difficult for you to call this long name. Just to call this little cat MP Pune. He's a fine breed of cat. Just look at his fur, like a lion's mane. Mane, you know, it is the beard of a lion. The lion has long hairs on its chin, so it is known as mane. So the fur of this cat is just look like the mane of a lion. And you know what the emblem of the ancient Pallava kings was, don't you? He looked expectantly at Mridu, expecting that Mridu will tell the answer. He is asking, and you know what the emblem of the ancient Pallava king was? Mridu giggled. Giggled means she smiled. Think I'm joking? Then Ravi is asking, think I'm joking? You think I'm telling just jokes? Well, just wait. I'll show you some time. It's clear you don't know a thing about history. Now I understood that you don't know anything about history. Haven't been to Mahabalipuram? Have you? He said mysteriously. You don't know about Mahabalipuram? You didn't go there? Well, when our class went to Mahabalipuram, I saw a statue of his tatas, etc., etc. That means he is very interesting. He is actually impressing Mridu. So he was telling whenever his class was taken them for a trip or picnic, he saw the statue of his means his cats, tatas, etc., etc. Fact is, Mahindran here is descendant from that very same ancient cat. That means the Pallava dynasty has an emblem. So this little cat is the descendant. Descendant means he is the youngest member of his former generation. Fact is, Mahindran here is descended from that very same ancient cat, a close relative, scientifically speaking, of none other than the lion. If I scientifically speaking, he is a lion. You know, the cats are actually the lion family. And the Pallava lion, emblem of the Pallava dynasty. Ravi went on, walking around the bitterberry bush, waving a twig up and down. Twig, you know, it's a small branch of tree. He was waving it in his hand and telling all these things. Ravi went on, walking around the bitterberry bush, waving a twig up and down. His eyes sparkling. Sparkling. Why his eyes sparkling? You know, he was trying to impress Mridu. So he is telling a lot about this cat, and Mridu was enjoying whatever he is speaking. This cat is a descendant of none other than the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. And if I may just remind you, they worshipped cats in ancient Egypt. You know, in ancient Egypt, the people of ancient Egypt worshipped cat. So this cat is actually the descendant of that Rishi cat. How he loved the sound of his own voice. Meena and Mridu exchanged looks while this boy Ravi was telling all those things in a wonderful way. These two girls, who all are Meena and Mridu, exchanged looks. They looked each other and they smiled. What does that have to do with anything? Mridu demanded. I'm telling you, this cat is descended from the Egyptian cat god. No. Cat goddess. Bastet. You know what is Bastet? It is the family name of royal peoples normally. And this cat is the Egyptian cat god. Goddess Bastet. Yeah, that's it. So, who is asking? Bindu is asking. So, well, one of the descendants of that cat goddess was a stowaway in one of the Pallava ships, and his descendant was the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. So this cat, this cat is was the descendant of that cat goddess. How does it come here? How did it come here? A stowaway. What is the meaning stowaway? Someone who hides himself or herself in a ship. That is known as. So whenever a ship was just sailing towards somewhere, if someone hides inside the ship, those persons are said to be stowaway. So what happened? The descendant of that cat goddess was a stowaway in one of the Pallava ships, and his descendant was the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. Whose descendant is Ravi flourished his twig at Mahindran. Flourished his twig at Mahindran means this cat. He is holding a twig in his hand. This twig is, he was showing to this cat and telling, this cat is the descendant of that Rishi, Pallava Rishi cat. And Ravi flourished his twig at Mahindran. MP Punai here. Whoop ek! He shrieked. It was shrieked means he was making a lot of sounds to impress these girls. Very pleased with himself. Whenever he was explaining and telling a lot of things about this cat, he was pleased very much himself. Mahindra looked up alarmed, and all this boy is doing. The cat was alarmed means it was frightened. He had just been sharpening his claws on the edge of the coconut shell. So while this Ravi was telling much about this cat, the cat was sharpening his claws at the coconut shell. But worse than Ravi's awful whoop ache was a screech. But worse than Ravi's awful whoop eek was a screech from the window. So whenever Ravi was making such weird sound, they could hear another weird sound from the window. What a weird sound! If Mridu was startled, MP Pune was frightened out of his wits. Out of his wits means he was confused. That means on hearing that sound from the window, Mridu was startled means she upset. And MP Pune, that is the cat, was frightened. Hair standing on end, he bounced up and scurried towards a bamboo tray of red chilies that had been set out to dry. So there in the sun, they were keeping red chilies in a bamboo tray to dry up in the sun. So from the coconut shell, this little cat was scurried. That means afraid of. He running towards the bamboo tray, and he hid behind the bamboo tray. What happened then? Trying to hide beneath it, he tipped a few chilies over himself. A few chilies just happened to put over himself. Meow! He howled miserably. Miserably means He was afraid of that sound, so that he made a shrieking sound, that is meow. The screeching went on and on. Screeching means one sound is coming from that window, you know. That sound was going, that went on and on. What is that noise? Said Mridu. Mridu asked, what is that noise? That is Lalli learning to play the violin, grunted Ravi. Ravi grunted means he in a little voice told that Lalli was trying to study what? Violin. She will never learn a thing. The music master just goes on playing like a train whizzing on and on. Just like a train whizzing on and on, the violin master will play the violin. But while Lalli is all the time derailing, that means going completely off track. Off track means it is very difficult for her to study the violin, so that she will play the violin just like a train is derailing. That means going completely off track. My dear children, this is the first part of the lesson, a gift of chappals. And let us listen to the comprehension check. What is the secret that Meena shares with Mridu in the backyard? What was the secret? The secret is that they have got a cat from in front of their house, and they kept it as a secret, because if their grandmother comes to know about the cat, she will go away to Padu Mama's home. How does Ravi get milk from the kitten? Ravi pretended he wants to drink the milk. That way he went to the kitten and got milk. Who does he say the kitten's ancestors are? Do you believe him? The kitten's ancestors are who? The Pallava dynasty. There is one cat. What is that? It is a Rishi cat, and he is telling it is the descendant of Rishi cat, or he is telling it is the descendant of goddess Bastet, and many other things he told. And what is the second part of the question? Do you believe him? No, we cannot believe him. He is only, it's a cooked up story. Fourth question. Ravi has a lot to say about MP Poonai. This shows that four options are there. The first option is the answer. He is merely trying to impress Mridu. And fifth question. What was the noise that startled Mridu and frightened Mahindran? The noise that startled Mridu and frightened Mahindran was the sound of the playing piano, playing violin. My dear students, with that we are finishing this today's class. I will be sending the notes through the WhatsApp. Thank you.